Hey guys, so here is App Club with another app. So, as the Summer Olympics of Rio 2016 approach, I wanted to show you guys the official Olympics app, which might be helpful to those who enjoy watching Olympics, or you probably want to go see it or buy tickets or anything. You can do all that just from this app. So, let's get started. So here is inside the app, and now this app is a universal app, but as many other apps in this area, it's really intended for an iPhone, so you can't use it in a landscape mode with an iPad. It automatically switches the orientation to portrait and only one direction of portrait, which is really annoying, but well, what can we do? So, the home page of the app is this. It basically shows you the top news of the day of the Olympics and what's going on, but that's not just it. You can switch a touch from the top corner and to different dates. For example, yesterday, these were the news and what happened. Now, if you go to the top left corner, you can buy tickets. Now, this will actually launch a web page which takes a while to come up, and it actually is in Portuguese by in like the default. You have to touch the top right corner to put it in English. Then, other than that, you can read stories of different things that happen during the Olympics. Well, they are interesting. Here is the list of all the photos that you can find and go through them, and you can probably save them to your. So as you see, most these pictures are from the torch relay as of now because that's what's happening. Then there are posts, which they are actually the news and the same thing. Um, on the top corner, you can actually, instead of just going to that menu, you can just touch every word that you see, and it will just go to that. You don't necessarily need to go to this menu, but well, it is much easier, especially if you're using a device that has smaller fonts and you need to make sure you touch the right spot. Then in the cities, it shows you every single city in Brazil, which well, as of now, the sports are gonna happen and the torch is at. Right now, as of Saturday, July 23rd, it's in this city. I don't want to read the name because I might mispronounce it. Sorry to the people from that city. So then there is a page just dedicated to the torch, and it just basically gives you the history of the Olympic torch and what it is for and everything. And here is an entire explanation of what the torch is. Um, there's the list of celebrations that it shows in every single city. Um, then there is a spectator guide. So for people who are just a spectator, they just want to be there and see what they want to do. The schedule, it's divided into three different areas: Olympic, Paralympic, and competition locations, which when you touch each one of them, for example, Olympic, then you can choose which sport, which I will choose archery because it's the first one that comes up. So then it basically gives you the information of what the game is and why they do this, and then why should you watch this? Basically, an advertisement of why this is important. Then this is interesting. It shows you the rules of the game. This is a very good thing. Like, some people want to watch a game, it's just they don't know what it is. But now they can, thanks to this app. So then it's just a list of the venues and which sports are happening in each venue. A full list of every single link, and of course the sponsors, um, and the settings. Now, about the settings, when you first install the app, it will ask you whether you want it in Portuguese, which is the language of Brazil, or English. Now, well, of course, I chose English because that's the language I understand. Um, but make sure you go through that. Then you have to accept terms and conditions in order to get to the app, but no sign up is required. Then there is app info in terms of the version and everything. You basically won't need it. And the term of use and open source license. So I hope the team you like in Olympic wins. Best of luck to all of our Olympic competitors, and let's remember what Olympic was for as it started, and just enjoy it. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time.